Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to completely remove ActiveArmor from an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to home screen. Look for the ActiveArmor app icon. Press and hold your finger on the ActiveArmor app icon. A small menu will appear. From the menu, tap Remove App, then tap Delete App. Finally, tap Delete again to confirm. This removes the ActiveArmor app from your iPhone. Now open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Phone. Once you are on your phone menu, scroll down and tap on Call Blocking and Identification. If you see ActiveArmor in the list, turn the switch off. This makes sure ActiveArmor is fully removed and not blocking calls in the background. And that's it. Once these steps are done, ActiveArmor is completely removed from your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.